Hi guys, this is Shazia and welcome back to my channel. Today it's a Sunday and it's the 13th Roza here in the UK. It's a beautiful sunny day outside. Here we go. It's a beautiful sunny day. So hopefully the day is going to be good. It's already 3 o'clock, around about more than 3 actually, about 3:30ish, and I was supposed to be ready by 4 because today we are going to a iftar dinner at Ali's sister Saba's house. And first I had the confusion of what clothes to wear. Now I've decided on what clothes to wear. Now Ali's just popped out, so it gives me more time to get ready. So I'm just gonna iron the clothes, just gonna quickly put them on and do a little bit of makeup, and then I'm ready. So today I am wearing this outfit. It's a beautiful, if I just flip the camera around then I can show you. It's a beautiful kameez with palazzo. I love the sides to this outfit. It's from Desi Posh. Recently purchased this from online. Purchased around about 3-4 outfits, and this is one of my simple ones. And here's the dupatta to it. So I've ironed it. I'm going to wear it and see how it is. You never know, I might not end up wearing it, but this is what I have taken out and selected. And I have got some matching sliders to it. I've never worn these are from Next, and these match the outfit. So I have taken these out, but when I get ready, what happens is that I always end up wearing my kusa at the end, just flat shoes. So ready and time to go. We have got a bit late, approximately an hour late. It's nearly 5, and iftari is around about 6:29 today. So hopefully we will get there. But yeah, we wanted to get a bit early there, but it happens. Reached, and we are only half an hour just before iftari.
सबा ने कहना है कि नहीं हम 10 मिनट रह गए सी उधर ही आ जाते पूरे टाइम के लिए.
Exactly. And she's going to say, why did you come this early? So guys, this is my outfit for today.
Assalamu alaikum.
Just 1 minute guys. I love the sides to it.
It's beautiful, yeah. Very nice.
Mashallah guys, look, iftari is already laid on the table. The pakoras in the making here, mashallah. And we've got some dishes here. Is this going to be that jami shiri?
No.
No? Something else?
Yep.
Okay. So here Ali is mashing the lemon. Mashing the lemon.
Mashing the lemon.
Oh, we're making mojito or something.
Mojito in hybrid minta colada.
You can do it.
But
here we're going to add what's it called? This syrup. In my previous vlog, I did show where I bought it from. 2 lids of here. It's a syrup, sweet. And 2 in this one. And I'm gonna add one it's bubble gum to give 2-in-1 flavor. How about that? Now the name my brother gave to this drink, Mina Colada. So there you go. I have 2 syrups. This is not just lemon and lime mojito. This is bubble gum and lemon and lime 2-in-1. So equal Mina Colada.
Mina Colada. So guys, all the did you do the recipe this time?
Yeah,
everything?
I did.
So most of whatever we're gonna eat today, there's gonna be the recipe on Sabah's YouTube channel. I will link it down here. So if you need to know any recipes or anything, do go and check that out.
Thank you.
All of these, mashallah. This is a new added one. So hopefully, whatever Sabah just put in right now, once the whatever other thing she's gonna put in here, and then I'm gonna taste it, and I'm sure it's gonna be yum. These two bottles, the mojito mint and the bubble gum. Ice in it now.
Ingredient going in for the क्या नाम दिया था अली रजा ने मिंटा कलाडा जी put it under the stand Suhail. Boys, keep an eye on the time. Bismillah, keep an eye on the time. कसुमतु बबिका आमंतु वालैका तवक्कलतु वाला रिस्किका अफ्तरतु
Sorry.
have it
nuts
Nuts नहीं अभी प्रॉब्लम
My plate.
वो गरम है ये ले लो
I think we plate
The mojito, what do you name it? The mint colada is amazing. Refreshing.
everything is nice. Yes.
Everything is really nice.
Have a seat.
Pilau rice here. And we have some more dishes over here.
यार वो टाइम भी ना लंघ गया
तो तुसी पी रही है तो तुसी अपनी खा लो करो पहले
ना ना मैंने नहीं पीनी
ਸਾਨੂੰ ਖਵਾ ਕੇ ਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਨੀਂਦ ਆਂਦੀ ਹੈ
चीनी को बढ़ाना
आई होप ये सबको आ जाए केटल ऑन करना ना जरा
हेलो और पानी डाल क्यों
जस्ट इन केस
Yeah, I didn't like it. Didn't like it?
I like chocolate burfi. Chocolate burfi.
दिस वन
मतलब कुछ चाहिए जान बकलावा दे दे अली भाई ने Here is the last one son take it
लास्ट नहीं है दो हैं एक मेरा और एक उसका
Not too sweet, but no.
very last one
This one is my favorite too.
अंबर और बनाएंगे मेरे चार नहीं जी
14 दिन तो एक सीट ही खाली होगी 8 घंटे के लिए वहाँ अब कोई आ ही नहीं रहा 14 दिन वो हमारा काम फिर डट गया पहले ही
Cats come out to say bye bye. Bye bye, Bella. We had a lovely time. Now it's time to go home.